Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your United Airlines seat step by step, follow these instructions to enhance your flight experience. Step 1. Log into your United Airlines account on the website or mobile app using your booking reference number and personal details. Step 2. Go to the My Trips section to view your upcoming flights and reservations. Step 3. Select the flight you wish to upgrade by clicking on the booking details. Step 4. Look for the upgrade or seat selection option to view available premium seats. Step 5. Review the available upgrade options including Premium Economy, Premium Plus, Business Class and First Class with their corresponding prices. Step 6. Compare the benefits of each class such as extra legroom, priority boarding, enhanced meal service and baggage allowance. Step 7. Choose your preferred upgrade and proceed to the payment section where you can use a credit card or Mileage Plus miles. Step 8. Complete the payment process and wait for a confirmation email with your updated seat assignment. Check your booking on the United website or app to verify the upgrade. Enjoy your enhanced travel experience with more comfort and amenities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.